Greetings from NeuronThemes. This is yet another video on pop-ups. This time, we are going to design a login form pop-up that will be triggered after the user clicks on this login button and will be redirected to the main dashboard on your page. How do we do that? Follow us along. Let's start on a blank page. We will need to configure the pop-up settings first. As per usual, to stay away from the typical display pop-up, we will position the pop-up horizontally on the right. Let's set an entrance animation to suit the effect of the pop-up. We will of course choose Slide and Right. From the Style tab, we will design our button. We will set its position and size as well as select another color. Set the structure of the content by adding a section. We will set the columns gap to be no gap. Now, from the Advanced tab, we will set the padding values. Let's add our first component onto the page. We will drag a heading element. Type in the content. We will need to welcome our users. Go to the Style tab and tweak the typography options. Now, from the Advanced tab, we'll add some negative margin values. Here, we will drag in a text editor element. We'll give our users the chance to sign up if they don't have an account. To redirect them to a sign-up page, simply select the sign-up text, click on to insert a link, and here, type in the URL for the sign-up page. Go to the Style tab, change the color for the text. We will need to tweak the typography options as well. We're almost done designing our login pop-up. Let's drag the login element. First thing we need to do is hide the label. Our design looks much better without it. Let's increase the width of the button. To redirect users to their personal dashboard from the Additional Options section, you can switch the Redirect After Login option on. And here, type in the URL for the page. Our login sure does need some design improvements. From the Style tab, change the link's color. Moving on to the Field section, we'll tweak the typography options. We will set the border width to the value of 2 pixels all around. We want our edges to be a bit rounded, so we will need to set the value of 8 pixels for the border radius. We will sure design the button as well. First, tweak the typography options and set the same value to the border radius as we did with the field. Now, from the Advanced tab, we will set the padding values for a better visualization of our login. As our final component, we will drag in an image element. Let's upload our image. And let's configure the size to match the rest of our design. Now, from the Advanced tab, we will set the padding values. The design process is done. This is our design. We will publish and save our pop-up, but we won't be setting any condition, triggers, or advanced rules. In order for the pop-up to open when users click on the login button, we will need to open the editor for the main page. Click on the button to open its settings. Under Link, click on this database barrel icon to dynamically connect the button and the pop-up. From the drop-down menu, select Pop-up. Now, click on the wrench icon and under Action, choose Open Pop-up. Under Pop-up, select the design that we've just created and you're done. Click on Update to save the changes. Now, let's see our pop-up live in action. Click on the button and here's our pop-up. After a user has filled all the information, they will be redirected to their dashboard and would have activated their account. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this.